Not again.
So we got
And then with the comments going across.
Ryan, where's the...
Are we vlogging?
Yeah, we are.
Portable charger.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Noky. We just arrived in Stockholm. Now we're just gonna find a taxi all the way to our apartment. Peace.
Oh my.
So this is Stockholm.
Whoa, this is sick. It looks like it came out of the back.
7-Eleven.
7-Eleven.
No. So we're here at Max trying to order some burgers. I got the double cheeseburger meal thing. Yeah, I'm gonna get the exotic one, of course. Guys, we made it! We made it into Stockholm.
It's on the left,
So they're exploring the toilet right now. But like, we got food, we don't care, we're gonna eat. Ryan, what'd you get? You got chicken or beef?
Beef.
You gotta get beef.
I'm so fucking hungry.
Cheese! Rosie got chicken. What did Jing get?
I think I got.
It's like, yeah, go way around.
Wow. Wow.
What the hell is that?
Exhibit A. Exhibit B. She's learning how to be a gold digger. Exhibit C. Hello babes, what are you telling me? So, we're at the crib right now. I just had a lavish shower. My skin is smooth. So right now we're playing Chase the Ace or Chase the Joker. And one of them had the Joker.
Are you sure? Are you actually sure?
Yeah, just get it. Get shit on, kid!
Yo, it's day 2. We're about here. These lot went to go Lidl's and we bought some.
I'm pretty sure it's cardamom bread. I can't remember what.
Give me some right now.
I don't know what it's like. What thing?
The nails. What are you making?
Bacon and eggs.
Yeah. Good old Swedish. Michael.
I'm the one.
Hey yo, so we're about to leave the crib. And
Let's get out of here, baby.
let's go. There we go. So here's the nice beautiful day, it's blue skies and that. We're going to the Royal Palace to meet the Queen. Gang! Let's go. You see that Max? That's where we ate yesterday. Apparently it's the oldest fast food restaurant here in Sweden. We gotta stay warm here. Got my puffer. Everyone's got their puffers. It's like 4 degrees right now. Never and I are trying to cross the road and we don't know which way to look.
We crossed.
Because like these cars, they drive on the right and we're trying to look on the left. So, oh my goodness. These are the first set of traffic lights. And,
Oh, yeah,
you hear it?
This? Why? Wait. Oh, do you have...
Hi guys. So just approaching this bridge. I'm the tour guide for the day. I actually planned the whole day because everyone else was just playing games last night, but it's fine.
We're at Golden Masterplan. We've got let's see the pictures.
I took the photo. I got cut off.
Overexposed. Cute. Underexposed.
And the Royal, was it the Peace?
Huh?
The Peace Museum. Nobel Prize Museum.
Uh-huh.
You dancing?
Do you want to do a TikTok?
No.
We just had a really cute experience with an old man. Picture.
Very wholesome. It does. Wow. sun is up. Everyone's shining. So we made it. We're alive.
Why they have cannons?
Why do they have cannons?
Because that's what made the Vikings extinct in Sweden. Because as soon as the cannons they just all died from cannon fire, all the warfare, famine. These are the cannons, the bespoke cannons I was talking about before.
Right.
The ones that killed the Vikings.
Wow. You see? You belong here in Sweden, where all the models live.
Why we have cannons.
It's like a rap video, but like your angle. What's up, man? So we're at the Royal Palace right now. Fun fact about the Swedish royal family: they're inbred.
I was about to say that too.
It's crazy. And basically, so the entrance tickets for the Royal Palace are available from the tickets and information desk.
Alice, we want to see us. I can look at that.
Where is it? Where are we going? Here? Where are we going? Some steep stairs. One for another. Ay, ay, ay. Remember that time you were snoring in bed?
Yes.
So we're here at the National Museum. Free lockers.
Det är mycket skånskigt. Ska man ha någon sås?
Every single one is one.
So right now we're in the Deli market. There's cheese, there's fish, there's bread, there's lasagna, there's everything here. Oh, this is making me really hungry. What's the time now? It's around 4 o'clock? 4:30. 4:30 and we haven't had lunch yet. So it turns out everything's like takeaway, so you have to take it home. We can't eat here basically because the food's not cooked. But I'm starving. Again, it's a beautiful day, the sun's out here at Sally Hall. And we're starving because we're broke and we couldn't buy any food in a Deli market. So Ryan and I got mochis from this. Oh, you can't really see it, but it's the red one here.
No?
And still waiting for it to warm up. Anne's got the meatballs, and apparently it wasn't.
It was me.
Yeah, sweet salty. Rosie got a salad because she's a healthy. She's a bad bee. What's up, guys? It's your boy Noky here once again. We are gonna look for food right now. The sun is slowly but surely setting, and I'm sure the night lights will come on soon, but having a good time so far. Right now we made it to the ocean. And thank you, sir. How are we feeling?
I don't know if we're gonna get a seat, to be honest with you.
Yes, it seems really busy right now. Turns out they were fully booked at this time at 7 p.m.
It's only 45 minutes. Do you guys want to eat here or wait?
I don't mind.
We'll eat it somewhere else.
What do you think? What are you telling me?
That was
Ready
a
to
literal NPC when he went.
I swear to God, yeah. What?
We're back.
We're back for what?
Great moves. We'll be seeing that on Friday night.
Friday night. I don't know if I want to go clubbing anymore because it's cold. I want to go to bed.
Yo. What's up, guys? We're currently at overdue. It's currently 8 p.m. We're all hungry, so we don't really care what we ordered out. Ryan wants to get the lamb flanks.
Lamb or flank.
Fire.
一個人一塊啊！
Thank you. What's up, guys? It's your boy Noky here. Just finished dinner at Aubergine, and it was 10 out of 10, obviously. Spent around £17. What do you think about the meal?
It was really good. The meatballs, I mean, we only did get 5, but they were really good. Better than IKEA.
This is the 7-Eleven. 大家好啊！我係你個仔 Noky， 我係你個 boy Noky。而家翻緊屋企，要行20 Your boy no. Anyway, I shall see you when we get to the station. In the meanwhile, in the meantime, I'll show you some clippets of Sweden at night. Cue the music.
I want a company, she wanna fuck with me. I feel the love in me, some sort of drug in me. Do this abundantly, she share a bed with me. She doesn't care if we don't say a word, don't say a word. I ain't get there yet, but I'm on the verge. Little mom, stay wet, getting on first. All the feeling getting deeper and it's getting worse. Slow down, push the brakes on it. What you thinking? Put it in reverse.
Ooh, roll me in that body, tease me, slide it in like easy peasy. Couple rounds in me, believe me. Slow it down, I need to savor. Love your body, love your flavor. Keep it down while we go neighbor. Roll it up and sparks of paper. I'm so blessed, I'm highly favored.
I leave flavor. I leave favored. I leave flavor. I leave favored. Baby, it's magic tada. Baby, it's East Walla. I put on Tame Impala. You're just my kind of woman. You told me you love a woman. Told me you've had a woman. Might just go back to woman. All the ways you could get to me, there's a check menu. We can make all the movements when it get late. Lot of lips to the foyer, then accelerate. You told me you don't and you with it, baby, could you demonstrate?